Rose cultivation can be susceptible to various pests and diseases, which can affect plant health and flower production. Here are some common pests and diseases in rose cultivation along with measures to control them. Pests. Aphids. These small insects feed on the sap of rose plants, causing leaves to curl and yellow. They can also transmit viruses. Control measures. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control aphid populations. Ladybugs and lacewings are natural predators of aphids and can be introduced to the garden. Thrips. Thrips feed on flower buds, causing them to become distorted and discolored. Control measures. Regularly inspect plants for thrips and use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control infestations. Pruning and removing infested buds can also help reduce thrips populations. Spider mites. These tiny pests feed on the undersides of leaves, causing them to become stippled and discolored. Severe infestations can lead to webbing and leaf drop. Control measures. Increase humidity around plants to discourage spider mites. Use insecticidal soap or horticultural oil to control populations. Predatory mites can also be introduced to feed on spider mites. Rose weevils. These beetles feed on rose buds and flowers, causing them to become deformed and damaged. Control measures. Handpick adult weevils and dispose of them. Apply insecticides labeled for weevil control according to instructions. Diseases. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as a white powdery substance on leaves, stems, and buds, causing them to distort and eventually die. Control measures. Improve air circulation around plants by pruning and spacing roses adequately. Apply fungicidal sprays containing sulfur or potassium bicarbonate to affected plants. Black spot. Black spot is a fungal disease characterized by black spots with yellow halos on rose leaves, eventually causing them to yellow and drop prematurely. Control measures. Remove and destroy infected leaves. Apply fungicidal sprays containing chlorothalonil or neem oil to prevent further spread. Botrytis blight. Also known as grey mold, botrytis blight causes flower buds and petals to become discolored, mushy, and covered in grey mold. Control measures. Remove and dispose of infected plant parts. Improve air circulation and avoid overhead watering to reduce humidity around plants. Apply fungicidal sprays containing thiophanate methyl or chlorothalonil. Rose rosette disease. This viral disease is transmitted by areophade mites and causes rapid and abnormal growth, distorted leaves, and excessive thorn production. Control measures. Remove and destroy infected plants immediately to prevent spread. Control mite populations using miticides. Plant disease-resistant rose varieties where possible. Regular monitoring, proper sanitation practices, and cultural controls are essential for preventing and managing pest and disease problems in rose cultivation. Additionally, always follow label instructions when using pesticides or fungicides to ensure safe and effective application.